Hello students, I am VK Anwat. Today we are going to focus upon the fundamental processes that affect the soil differentiation. It's our second chapter of soil geography. The chapter name is Soil Formation and Development of Soil Profile. Fundamental processes that affect the profile differentiation. In previous lecture, we focused upon the soil forming factor. And soil forming processes means how to form the soil. There are numerous processes are responsible for the soil formation. First is humification. Humification means what? Is the process of transformation of raw organic matters into humus. It is extremely a complex process involving the various organisms. First, simple compounds such as sugars and starches are attacked, followed by the proteins and cellulose. And finally, very resistant compounds such as the tannins are decomposed and the dark colored substance. This dark color substance is a humus. And as we know, in previous lecture we discussed the component of the soil, and humus is a major or the by microorganism, and the organic matters is a major component of soil, and it's represented by the humus. The second important method of the soil forming process is elevation. Elevation means nothing else, it's a deposition in the soil. Any kind of the deposition is means accumulation of this material into the soil, and it's dissolved, and that's why the soil has been formed. Such a process is known as a elevation. In the lower layer, mostly such type of the process has been observed. Or the horizon of the grain having the property of stabilizing the translocated clay material is termed as a elevation. Then third important process of soil forming process is eluviation. It is a mobilization and translocation of certain constituents, means this is a mobilization and translocation of the materials, means this material is translocated from one place to another place. In that, mostly ferrous oxides, thin clay, aluminum oxides or silica oxides are the play important role, or they are considered as a elevated material. This means the washing out, to wash out some materials, and it's get translocated from one place to another place. So such a condition is known as the elevation in soil geography. And this material is translocated, means this translocation is depend upon the relative mobility of elements and depth of the percolation. Means depth of percolation is the play important roles into the formation of this elevation types of the forming process. Then another one process is calcification. What is calcification? It is the process of precipitation and accumulation of the calcium carbonate. This is a accumulation of calcium carbonate, and this accumulation in some part of the profile. The accumulation of calcium carbonates may result in the development of calcic horizon. Means this calcic horizons means whereas accumulation of the calcium carbonate. Calcium is readily soluble in acid soil water, and when carbon dioxide concentration is high in the root zone. So the calcification also one important process which is responsible for the soil formation. Then another process is the pedalization. Pedalization is the process of soil forming resulting the formation of pedsol and pedsolic soil. Pedsolic mostly its soil is observed near to the coastal parts in Konkan region of our Maharashtra. Such a condition, which type of condition is required for such condition? The extreme cold climate in winter and extreme hot conditions in the summer. Its many respects the pedalization is negative of the calcification. The calcification process trains concentrate the calcium in the lower part of the B horizon, whereas the perzolization leaches the entire solin of calcium carbonates. Apart from calcium, the other bases are also removed and the whole soil becomes the distinctly acidic. In fact, the process is essentially one of acid leaching. Another one process of soil forming is lateralization. The term laterite is derived from the word later meaning bricks or the tiles. Means fragmentation. Lateralization means we can say the fragmentation or the blocks disintegration types of the process happen related with the rocks. It was originally applied to group of the high clay Indian soil found in Malabar hills of the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Means the mostly lateralization once again they happen near to the coastal parts of the Kerala, the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. The lateralization is process that removes the silica instead of the means what's happened here. The lateralization is a process where is the remove of the silica and then sequoids for the upper layers and thereby the leaving this material or the concentration of the solum. The removal of the silica has been the important part of this lateralization process. So the lateralization is the most important fundamental process of the soil forming process. Then glaciation. The glaciation is a term is the clay is a Russian origin means the blue, gray or the green clay. What is the clay? Means the color of the clay is green, gray or the blue. The glaciation is the process of soil forming resulting in the development of clay in the lower part of the soil profile above parent material due to the poor drainage conditions and where the waterlogged condition is prevail. Then another types of the soil forming process is the salinization. It is the process of accumulation of the salt due to the which process? The leaching process. And such as the sulfates and the chlorides of calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium in the soil in form of the salty or it's also known as the salic horizon. It's quite common in arid and semi-arid region due to this which process the leaching process is responsible for this is salinization and this due to this salinization due to the this leaching process the salty particles which observe into the interior part of the earth it's come upper part of the topmost part of the earth surfaces and due to that one this is the accumulation of the salty particles and that time we can say that there is a saline type of the soil but it's considered as a soil forming process. Then lastly soil forming process is alkalization. Alkalization, the process involves the accumulation of sodium ions on the exchange complex of the clay and resulting in the formation of zodiac soil. All cations in solution are engaged in the reversible reaction with the exchange site on the clay and organic matter particles. Means this alkalization also play important role in the soil formation. Clay gallization, salinization and alkalizations also play important role in soil forming processes. Thank you.